Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 5 and 6 of exercise 3.2 of chapter 3, playing with numbers. So question number 5 is very easy. So what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So before that we have to see that how many prime numbers are there in between 1 and 10. So we'll start our counting with what? 2, isn't it? So 2 is the smallest prime number. So after 2, what is the next prime number? 3, then comes 5, then comes 7. So these are all the prime numbers which will fall in between 1 and 10. So the prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers between 1 and 10. Now among these numbers, what is the greatest prime number? So which is the greatest prime number out here? Yes, it's the right choice. So 7 is the greatest prime number among them. So you just write it down. So 7 is the greatest prime number among them. So this is how you will conclude the answer of question number 5. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 6. Now this is question number 6, students. That is, express the following as the sum of two odd prime. That means this 44 we have to express it in the form of two odd prime. That is two prime numbers, and both the prime numbers should be odd also. Now what is the best way of doing this? Now we all know what are the prime numbers, isn't it? We all know what is the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are all the prime numbers, isn't it? So this is how we will do it. Now how to proceed? Now suppose if I take here 2. Then I have to subtract 2 from this number. So I will do it. 44 minus 2 is what? 42. So 42, if I write it down, then it is not the combination of two odd prime number. This is not odd also, because it is an even number, and this is also even number. And this number is not even prime also. So these two numbers will be cancelled. So this number is cancelled, because this is not odd number, this is even number. You can say that 2 is the only even prime number, and the rest of all the numbers would be odd prime. So we'll start our counting from 3. Okay, so if we put 3 here, suppose if we put 3 here, and if we subtract 3 from 41, okay, so what will be the answer? 44 minus 3. So answer is 41. Yes, 41 is what? An odd number also, and it is also a prime number. Fine. So this is how we have expressed 44 in combination of two odd prime numbers. This is 3 is also a prime number and an odd number. 41 is also odd number and a prime number. Let's see the next number, that is 36. Same way we will do it. Same way. Fine. So the first number is what? 3. 3 is odd prime number. Suppose if you put 3 here, and if you subtract 3 from this 36, so what will be the answer? 33. Oh my god. Now 33 is an odd number, but it is not a prime number. Why it is not a prime number, students? Because it is divisible by 1, divisible by 33, but it is also divisible by 3 and 11. So it is carrying more than 2 factors. So that is the reason we cannot write this 33 here. So this number would be cancelled. Okay, we cannot take 3 here. Now what is the next prime number? 5. So if you put 5 here, and if you subtract 5 from 36, so 36 minus 5, that will give you what? 31. Yes, 31. So 31 is an odd number also, and it is also a prime number. So these are the two odd prime numbers. If we add these two numbers, we get 36. So we are also done with sum number B. Now let's do question number C. Now again we'll do the same thing. We'll start with this one, 3. So if you put 3 here, so we have to subtract 3 from what? 24. So we'll do this. 3. So answer is getting what? 21. Is 21 is an odd number? Answer is yes. Now is 21 is an odd number? Answer is no. Why no? Because 21 is divisible by 1, 21 is divisible by 21 itself, but 21 is also divisible by 3 and 7. So it is more than 2 factors we are getting. So we cannot write this number. So if we cannot write this number, we can also, this number is also not applicable. So let's see the next prime number, that is 5. Okay, so we'll write 5 here, and again we'll subtract 5 from 24. The answer is what? 19. 19. So we see some light, isn't it? So 19 is an odd number. Is it a prime number? Absolutely, it is a prime number also. So we are also done with sum number C. So it's a combination of 5 and 19. If you add this two number, we'll get 24. So let's do the last sum of today, that is 18. Now the same process, students, same way we'll do it. The first number, what we'll put? That is 3. Okay, we'll put 3. Okay, now 18 minus 3, 15. So 15 is odd, but it is not prime, as because it is also divisible by 3, 5, 1 and 15. How many factors we are getting? 4 factors, students, 4. So 4 is a composite number. It is not a prime number. Prime number is a number which should have only 2 factors. The numbers which is divisible by 1 or by itself. In this case, we cannot write this 15, and when we cannot write this 15, this number also become incompatible. Fine. So let's go for the next prime number, that is 5. So we'll write 5 here. 5. Again, you subtract 18 minus 5. What is the answer? 13. Oh my God. Now what is happening? Yes, now we finally got the answer, that is 13 and 5. So 5 is also a prime number and is an odd number. 13 is also a prime number and is also an odd number. So the combination of 2 will give us 18. So this is the final solution of question number 6, students. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed.